Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App savings feature not showing up. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Cash App, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Cash App savings feature not showing up, but if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Cash App and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Cash App savings feature not showing up, but if it doesn't, then open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I've heard great things about Cash App savings feature. Unfortunately, I've noticed that the savings feature isn't showing up in my app. I've tried looking through all the tabs and sections of the app, but I just can't seem to find it. I've also made sure that my app is up to date with the latest version, and I even restarted my phone a few times, but that hasn't resolved the issue. I'm not sure if there's something specific I need to do to get this feature or if it's just not available to me for some reason. I would really appreciate it if you could help me figure out why the savings option isn't showing up on my app and what steps I might need to take to access it. Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you fix Cash App savings feature not showing up. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.